Hi guys, we are back with another reaction video. I am Jyoti, you can call me Joe, and with me is Madhura, you can call her Maddie, and we are apparently reacting to a trailer, you know? What is it?
Yes, today we are reacting to a trailer. We are reacting to the trailer of Breathe into the Shadows.
Ooh,
Breathe into the Shadows. That's what we are reacting to.
okay.
It's the sequel to the Amazon Prime original series that I think was released in 2018. It starred R. Madhavan and Amit Sad, and
Okay.
this
Yeah,
is the sequel.
I saw the strip on Amazon, but I haven't watched the show.
Neither
So
have
will that
I.
matter? Okay.
We'll have to watch the trailer. It's the sequel to it. The first
Okay.
season was about this father. So the blurb said, "How far will you go to protect the ones you love?" So I think Amit Saad plays this cop, and R Madhavan plays this desperate father who will do anything to save his son's life. And then it
Okay.
becomes a cat and mouse game. So it was a thriller series.
Okay.
And this is the sequel to that, and this one stars Amit Saad. He reprises his role in this also, I'm guessing, and it has Abhishek Bachchan and Nitya Menon. So, and I think the last few weeks they've also amped up the publicity for this series. So there have been. It coincides with, I think, Abhishek also completing 20 years in Hollywood. So there have been a
Hmm.
series of write-ups about him and his roles, and it
In Bollywood,
coincides
you mean?
nicely in Bollywood. Yes,
Ah.
and this is his first entry into television slash streaming, and I think it's going to be available on Amazon Prime on the 10th of July.
Okay,
So,
okay. It'd be good to see
Breathe
Abhishek
into the
back
shadows.
on screen.
It would
You
be.
know?
It would be.
Let's.
Yeah. So let's watch and then let's talk.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
One, two, three, go.
अभी सिया वापस आएगी ना?
It's been 3 months. Usually kidnappings में पहले 48 hours में contact हो जाता है. Sia's gone.
What was in that box?
सिया
Was it that tablet?
अगर
हाँ.
आप सिया को वापस चाहते हैं तो आपसे पैसे नहीं कुछ और मांगूंगा. आपको इन्हें मरना होगा, लेकिन इनके मरने की वजह वासना और क्रोध.
I don't understand these weird mind games he's playing.
साइकाइट्रिस्ट हूँ और एक साइकाइट्रिस्ट से बेटर माइंड गेम्स कौन समझ सकता है. Anger and lust, there has to be some sort of
Yeah.
link.
जिसने भी ये किया है बहुत सही प्लानिंग की.
पुलिस कभी भी क्लोजिंग कर सकती है. मुझे इस इन्वेस्टिगेशन का हिस्सा बनना पड़ेगा.
So first, this one reminds me a bit of Seven. Have you seen the movie Seven, where he goes through each one of the sins, right? And this one is lust and anger, and it's again mind games, a psychiatrist, and tracking down a serial killer or a criminal. So the first thing with the box coming in, where I think the box had the iPad, but it kind of reminded me of Seven. I'm getting major Seven vibes from this trailer.
Yeah. And that was Brad Pitt
Brad Pitt and Morgan
Jack.
Freeman and
No, was it
Morgan
Jack?
Freeman.
Morgan Freeman. Um,
Yeah.
yeah, I'm getting multiple vibes.
Yes, it's reminding me. But again, it's a gripping trailer so far. It definitely gets your interest as to where is it going, how is it playing out. And uh, Amit Saad has come out of the jail and he's back in the force. So it must be a continuation from the last season. So,
Yeah, we don't know why he ended up in jail, so but he's
correct.
definitely looking different, and Beard game is strong.
Yeah. Yes.
Beard Yes.
I'm sad to see
All for
Abhishek
it.
doesn't have his beard game because
I
I do like
know.
beard game. I'm like, why? Why?
At
Where is
least,
the beard? But
at least have a stubble, no? But
I
anyway.
know.
Okay, ready? Let's continue.
Yeah, yeah.
1, 2, 3, play.
How can you help us, Doc?
I may know who the killer is. He's not going to stop. अब तक हमें सिया के बारे में कुछ पता नहीं है. Time is running out.
I think the killer knew both of them.
The more I study this, the more I'm convinced कि ये बस random choosings है. Textbook serial murders.
हो सकता है. हो सकता है ऐसा ना भी हो.
Okay.
जब तुम मुझे देखोगी आबा, what will you see? A father or a murderer?
Man who did all he could to save his family.
So, let me just summarize what I got from this. His daughter's been kidnapped. They make contact after 3 months, and then they send him around with instructions to murder people. And he does it to save his daughter, but then he realizes the cops are on the cases, and he's a psychiatrist, so he can volunteer to help
To help them. Mhm.
so he knows what they're closing in on, and he's the actual murderer also, and then he's involved in solving the case also. So he'll make sure I don't know what is happening with that masked person, but the masked person is obviously the one who's kidnapped or the girl.
His daughter. Mhm.
Yeah. So who is doing the murders? Is it him or is it the kidnapper? And if it looks like it's going to be edge of the seat. Like what's gonna happen?
But again, I also think that it could be very clever trailer editing because the start of the trailer is that he is told that he has to do this, right? And then it becomes where his wife says, "What kind of mind games is he playing?" And Abhishek says, "If there's anybody who can play mind games, I'm a psychiatrist, so I'm the best person to do it." And then it cuts to him talking to the cops. So we don't know if he's the murderer. So it seems the start seems like he's the murderer, but the second half also seems like he's helping them out. So so I think
because
there
he
may be
also
some
wants
legs
to
to
find
your
the
theory.
kidnapper. Yeah.
Yeah. And then there is that last scene which kind of lends credence to your theory because he has this, "What do you see when you see me? You know, father or a murderer?" And she's like, "You did everything you could because you wanted to save your family."
Yeah.
So which
So,
kind of goes back to the first season as well. Okay, what would you do to save your family?
Yeah. Also, I got Taken vibes because of this daughter being kidnapped thing. But again, in Taken, he was very happily murdering everyone in his path. Also because he was one of those spy agent type people, right?
Yeah,
Who
yeah,
knew how
yeah.
to do those things. But here he's not. He's just a psychiatrist. He's a doctor or whatever. But
I am also very taken by how Delhi is becoming the setting for all of these series that are coming out. This is set in Delhi, obviously. It's set in Delhi. Arya was set in Delhi. I think a couple of other
Patal Lok, set in Delhi, and I don't know about. I think Sacred Games was in Bombay.
Sacred Games is in Bombay.
But yeah, I think Delhi is becoming Delhi Crime. Obviously, was set in Delhi, and that's a true story. But yeah, I'm saying the north is becoming quite the.
Yeah.
But like I've just been watching Money Heist and Peaky Blinders and all these series which are amazing, and they just keep you on the edge of your seat. Like in every scene where you're like, shit, what's gonna happen? What's gonna happen?
Don't know.
And like the seconds are just like your heartbeat is racing, but this kind of had that vibe.
This had that vibe. I have to say that it was a
Yeah,
very slick and a very tight
yeah,
trailer because even as it starts, and I think the way the camera moves and it zooms in, and a lot of the shots are also in the dark,
yeah,
and it's in dark in these very gritty places, which just
yeah,
heightens your either the drama or just the thrill of what's coming your way next. So
yeah.
yeah,
The camera work and the lighting department definitely
very
um,
scary. And they
very nice.
showed
I
that
like.
vent, and I was like, it's my worst fear is to be stuck in a really tiny closed off space, dark tiny closed off space. So I'm like,
So,
no, this no no. And what
yeah.
if I see a rat there? No. So yeah, it was yep.
Yep, yep, yep. I enjoyed that trailer, and I think I'm, gonna enjoy this series. It'll be good to see Abhishek Bachchan back. It'll be good to see Amit Sag
Yeah.
again. I haven't seen him in a long time, and he's looking very nice with that beard. And the story, the script, the camera angles, and the shots, everything looks very gripping. And I'm very
Mm-hmm.
happy that India is producing content like this. So more power to the
I do. I like it because if
creators.
I mean we are getting there, but the shows that are coming out now, I think they are really of high caliber and the writing is very nice. You're not
Yes,
making like cardboard cutouts of characters. They are very layered, they're very nuanced. And I think Delhi in a way lends itself for that because there are
yeah.
as a city, because of the way it operates and because of how many the strata in society, it plays itself very well to set up these kind of dynamics,
Yeah,
I think.
and also there's so many different characters within a city like Delhi from different
Mm-hmm.
parts of North India with different
Mm-hmm.
dialects and languages of their own. And like Delhi is quite the melting pot in that
Mm-hmm.
sense, just like Bombay, but in little different from Bombay.
Correct.
Um, but so yeah, very interesting characters in that city, and in this series, it
Trailer
looks
as
like
well. It looks like it,
I will
yes.
watch for sure. And if
Well
there's any
done.
other show that we should react to the trailer of, or that we should even watch that you recommend, please leave us a comment and let us know. We love hearing from you. And until next time,
Bye.
bye.